Hi everyone, it's Jerry and I was just sent this really large 100-foot scalable retractable hose from Yare, and it seems to be a pretty stout unit. This thing can mount on the wall or mount on a tree or a fence post, allowing you to use the hose itself to pull out however length you need and then use the hose. And it is scalable, so you can stop it at various lengths throughout the process, and then it'll retract itself back in. Very cool. Brass fittings. This is a 1/2-inch hose. It does have these nice brass fittings on the end. They do send you with a couple of different styles of spigots for the end of this. They do have some rubber grommets already in place. I'll go ahead and put this one on here. It does have the other kind, which is right there, a brass piece, a solid brass one that's there, along with a couple of extra grommets that you can utilize in case you ever lose one of those. It also comes with an instruction guide and a handy template, which is going to be good because we can use that along with the mounting hardware that they provide that allow you to put this into wood or into other surfaces using these anchors, and an included level, which I find very nice. A lot of things don't come with those anymore. That will help get this put on straight, and some washers. But this template, as we line it up on there, will line up with the back of this piece here, so we can pre-drill our holes in the wall. And then this back piece here will swivel a full 180 degrees as we're moving our hose around, allowing us to get a full 180 degree motion on that. On the back end of this, when you're going to connect it into another garden hose or directly into your spigot on your home, it will connect directly in with that there. Again, rubberized grommet included already there. I will go ahead and turn this on and kind of show how it functions, and then we'll go show you where we're going to mount it. So there you have plenty of pressure for anything you're going to need to water from gardens. This has soaker, angle, some misting functions, half a vertical function, a center shot function, the full power there, or flat or a traditional shower that you would use if you're going to be watering some plants like out in a garden. So it does have that, and then again, whenever you're done with this 100-foot hose, it retracts all the way back, which is very nice. Let's go ahead and show you where we might mount this on the edge of our shed. So I've got my Yare retractable hose reel here that's 100 feet long, and what I will probably do is just find a good spot that I can anchor this into the wall, the corner of a shed like this, that it can then flex the full 180 degrees so that I can run a hose up towards the front of my house or back to my garden directly from here, and then I can tie this in with an existing spigot, allowing me to take full advantage of this wonderful product.